Namaskar to everybody. I'm Anuradha Sarkar from Rai Boutique. Today I have got a very good news for all my viewers. There is a big fat sale going around in Rai Boutique. All of you are welcome to my boutique, and those who cannot come, please order online. Let's start with sari number 1. Sari number 1, rupees 900. On that you will get a flat 20% discount. In all my products today you will get a 20% discount. Sari number 1. आज मैं जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाऊंगी उसमें 20% की छूट है. The whole saree will go like this. The blouse piece is in running. Saree number 2, rupees 1000. Whatever rate I am telling you today, on that you will get a 20% discount. साड़ी नंबर 2, द रेट इज़ 1000. इसके ऊपर आपको 20% की छूट है. And the whole saree will go like this. The blouse piece is in running. Saree number 3, this is 1300. You will get a discount of 20% on 1300. These are all cotton handloom sarees. This is a Ganga Jamuna border, and the whole saree is like this. These sarees are very good for summers, and the blouse piece is in contrast. Saree number 4, this is also 1300. 1300 के ऊपर आपका छूट होगा 20%. Please have a look. Please have a look at the border. This is a very lovely saree. The whole saree goes like this. And the blouse piece is in contrast. Saree number 5. Please subscribe my video. Don't forget to subscribe my video. If you want any sarees, if you have any requirement, please message me. It's a very bright color saree. This too has a Ganga Jamuna border. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The price of the third sari is 1300. Sari number 6, 1500. 1500, and then there is a discount. This is also Ganga Jamuna border. And the whole of the sari is similar. And the blouse piece is in contrast. Sari number 7. The price of the sari is 2000 and you will get a discount over that. 20% discount is a very good buy. Please order. If you have any comments, please write in the comment section. This is a grey sari, half stripe and half plain, and look at the border, lovely yellow border which highlights the sari. You can wear it with a yellow blouse, but this has a blouse piece. Let me see the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 8, 2000. A similar sari with a different color. Look at the colors, very bright color. Half the sari, this is a half and half sari. And the blouse piece is in running. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 9, 2000, and then there is a discount. Please have a look at the pallu. It's a navy blue sari. These are simple saris and you can wear it to any office. The whole sari will go like this. Ganga Jamuna border, and the blouse piece is in check. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 10, 2500. The price of the sari is 2500. इस साड़ी को अच्छी से देखिए, एक golden and Rani. Combination is golden and Rani. Please have a look at the sari. It's a very pretty one. And the whole sari we will go like this. And the blouse piece is in solid color. Sari number 11, 3000. You will get a discount after that. 3000 के ऊपर discount होगा. Look at this sari. The motifs are very different. Ganga Jamuna border. And the whole sari, there are small kites as booty, and the blouse piece is in solid black. You can wear any printed blouse with it. Sari number 12, 3000 rupees. This sari is ideal for Poila Boishakh. It's a very, very pretty sari. You can wear it with any red blouse or red printed blouse. The quality of the sari is very good. इसका quality बहुत ही अच्छा है. ये पूरा साड़ी इस तरह से जाएगा और इसका ब्लाउज पीस सॉलिड ऑफ वाइट में है. साड़ी नंबर 13, 3000. दिस इज अ येलो कलर. ये हम दोल में भी पहन सकते हैं, होली में पहन सकते हैं. प्लीज हैव अ लुक. वी कैन वेयर दिस during the holies, and also very ideal for Poila Boishakh. It's a very beautiful sari, a Ganga Jamuna border, and the color is very, very bright. And the blouse piece is in yellow. Sari number 14, this is also 3000. This is a bottle green sari. This is a bottle green sari. This sari is a very lightweight sari. It does not need any starching. ये साड़ी बहुत हल्की है और इसमें कुछ कॉटन साड़ी में कुछ स्टार्च देने का नहीं है. ये वॉश एंड वेयर साड़ी है और इसका ब्लाउज पीस इज इन सॉलिड कलर. प्राइस ऑफ द साड़ी इज 3000 और उसके ऊपर आपको छूट मिलेगा 20% का. साड़ी नंबर 15, please subscribe my video. I request all of you to please subscribe my video. Please have a look. Look at the border. The whole sari goes like this. And the blouse piece is in solid color. Sari number 16. This is a Begumpuri sari. Price 3000. This is ideal for any festival, whether it's Poila Boishakh or any festival. And you can dress up very beautifully in this sari. You can wear a simple jewelry, fish motif. Somebody has asked for a fish motif sari. This is a very beautiful fish motif sari. The whole sari will go like this. The borders, they are all a fish motifs. and this is the blouse piece. Sari number 17, 3,300. Please have a look at this sari. This sari also has fish motifs. Please have a look. The small fishes and a little bigger fish as booty. Ganga Jamuna border. This is in blue, royal blue color. ये साड़ी बहुत ही अच्छी साड़ी है. मैंने आज जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाई इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छी है. And the blouse piece is in running. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 18. Price is 3,600. It's a very summery color. Look at the green. It's such a summery color. गर्मी में ये साड़ी बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है पहनने में. बॉडी में फिश मोटिव्स है और बॉर्डर देखिए इसका बॉर्डर. And the whole saree is similar. The fish motifs are done in a very beautiful way. These are all hand woven साड़ी. ये हाथ में बुना हुआ साड़ी है और this is the blouse piece. You can wear a contrast blouse with it. Saree number 19, 3,800. Please don't forget to subscribe my video. This is a very lightweight saree. Please see the whole saree is woven in a similar way. Please have a look at it. And the blouse piece is in baby pink. The saree that I am wearing, please have a look. The saree that I am wearing. The price of the saree is 2,700 and you will get a discount, flat 20% discount on this saree. Please have a look at the saree. It's a very beautiful saree. It has got a solid color blouse piece or you can wear a blouse that I am wearing. If you like my jewelry, you can also order them. If you like my video, please give a like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And please write some comments in my comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.